a meter.
Okay.
It's about a meter. But after knowing the belt, you have to test it. Is it pregnant or is barren?
Okay.
See now. So if you want to test the barrenness of a belt, you hold your wires within the belt like this. If you try to move, if they open like this now within the belt.
So you are walking along
the
between
belt.
these two lines.
Two lines, yes. If they open like this, it's a sign that the belt is
Pregnant, meaning it has got samples.
So if I move away from the belt like this, the wires will close. Which is a sign that here there is no gold. But if I enter into the belt, the reef zone, if they open like this,
yes,
it's 100% sure that the belt is pregnant.
All right.
So it's very important. Test the pregnancy of the belt, existence of gold, because we don't mind belts. We want the gold. So you have to do this exercise to test. You see now.
Okay.
If you want to see the viability of the resource, you just hold it one like this. If you try to move like this, it will rotate.
It will rotate.
The higher the speed, the more values are available underground. So if there is nothing, it won't rotate.
It won't rotate.
So with this survey, we won't miss the belt one, we won't miss the sample. So it's 100% perfect in terms of availability of gold and the width of the belt the reef.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's so special about the method that you use? You know, 1 milligram is a sample.
Yes.
And the kg is a sample.
It's a sample.
So how do you know that this is commercially mineable or not commercially mineable?
As I said, you move along the belt, holding it like this. Are you seeing the rotation?
The rotation.
If the sample is low, it will rotate slowly. If it is very low, it won't even rotate.
Okay. What I want you to tell me is the secret behind your work. You, given a 10-hectare place,
yes,
you know, there are a lot of belts in a specific area.
Okay.
So how do you identify among 1,000 of belts that these ones are commercially mineable? And yes,
what do you simply do? You hold your wire like this at random. You try to move any direction, facing any direction. They are heading to that direction.
Okay.
So I'm now knowing that the resources is the eastern side of the clay.
So what's pulling those wires?
It's the gold now. We use the magnetic system. In gold, if you put 1,000 kg to the east and you put 5,000 to the west, if you started the ground, the copper wire start picking the 5,000.
Oh, so where there is more deposits, there is more attraction. That's the first attraction.
Yes.
Per given area.
So it's a scaling method.
Yes. Okay.
So if I try to move this way, it will show me.
So it means that there is more gold this side.
So when I'm doing my survey now, I'm no longer concentrating with this side of the claim.
All right.
Evidently, even if you ask any one of these people who are working there, our reef is dipping towards the east.
Okay.
Is it correct? Yes, our reef is dipping towards the east. So what happens in dealing with the gold? Where the reef dips, it's where the deposits are higher. Where there is an outcrop, the deposits are low.
Okay.
So when you are doing mining now, you must go towards the dipping point.
Okay.
For you to get more grams better. So if you open up a shaft at that point, you get less grams.
Okay.
But if you open up a shaft at the end point at this eastern side, grammage per ton need to be higher than the western side. So that is the secret of the survey. So it's easier for me to condemn thousands of hectares because I don't force it to work.
Okay.
If I try to move this way, if you said don't go this direction,
you won't go that side.
I won't go that side.
So it means that your method saves time. It is accurate enough to search specifically for gold.
Yes.
And you'd know what proper planning, especially for your place, to know where to put the plants,
where to put the shaft.
For instance,
at this claim,
Yes.
We put our mills this side of the claim.
All right. You're not putting it.
This is now the production side.
Production side.
Yes.
Okay.
So if I go this direction, if it turns to the west again, then I know now this is
the specific area
I have to
concentrate on. All right.
Because per 10 hectares, it's only about 3 or 4 hectares which have resources. So people, they've got a propensity of pegging 1,000 hectares.
Okay.
Expecting
hectares. It to have more gold.
More gold. No, that's not the system. I think I was in Mozambique. Those white guys, they pegged about 19,000 hectares, and it was only 130 hectares.
Out of the 19,000 that had resourceful gold, yes, commercially mineable resources.
It was only covered within the 130 hectares.
Okay.
But the problem of using machines now, they operate with sulfides.
Okay.
So within 19,000 hectares, they will be everywhere. There will be sulfides. So you need 6 months.
So
doing a survey.
But with your method, you're not affected by the presence of sulfides or any other mineral.
Yes, this is naturally, these wires are connectivity of them naturally. It's gold, not any other mineral.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it's now by your experience, the gift that you have, now you're able to explore other minerals using the same method.
Yes, but now this is now a gift. It's different from science.
Okay, so
because if, for example, I'm just holding my wire like this. If I try to move this direction, it's hunting for gold. But if I say copper, there is no copper here. There is no any signal for copper. But if I say sulfides,
they are sulfides.
They are now sulfides.
The opposite direction.
Opposite direction. So
where you're saying there are no resources.
Yes. So they are highly sulfide zone. So if I come here with a machine, I'll pick those points because the electronics communicates with
or they pick out sulfides to say that where there is sulfide, there's a probability that there's gold.
There is gold. But me, I don't use probability.
It's accuracy.
Accuracy. I'm hunting for gold. So if I say gold, it directly
to where gold is really.
Without even saying a word, just silently, it is turning to the east.
Now that's the magnetic system.
That's the magnetic system. But if I command the command system, if I say gold, still it goes to
show you where gold is.
Gold is. If I say tantalite, there is no
tantalite.
If I say oil, there is no oil. If I say lithium, there is no lithium. Any other mineral here, nothing. It's only 2, sulfides and gold.
All right, so I think that's all for the meantime.
Yes.
Let's mine Africa. Thank you.
Okay, fine.